Deep inside a highly guarded facility rests the raw wealth required for football's greatest prize. Massive steel vault doors swing open to reveal walls lined with pure, solid gold bars. Stacks of heavy gold bullion sit waiting to be transformed into a legendary sporting icon. A craftsman carefully extracts a single gleaming block of gold from the secure storage rack. The heavy gold bar is placed onto a metal tray for the next production stage. A precision robotic arm securely grips the gold bar to transfer it to the workbench. Workers wipe down the raw metal to remove any surface dust before the melting process. Digital scales confirm the exact weight required to achieve the perfect alloy for the trophy. Small silver pellets are carefully poured into a mixing container to add strength and durability. Copper spheres join the mixture to provide the signature warm color of the final alloy. The pure gold bars are loaded into a massive industrial furnace to begin the melt. Heavy iron doors seal shut as the temperature inside the chamber begins to rise rapidly. Intense flames engulf the metal as the furnace reaches over 1,000 degrees in heat. The solid bars slowly collapse into a glowing pool of incredibly hot liquid gold alloy. Swirling currents of molten metal form inside the crucible as the different elements blend together. A carbon rod is used to manually stir the liquid to ensure a uniform consistency. Impurities float to the surface and are carefully skimmed away to leave only pure metal. A specialized thermal probe is plunged into the bath to check the exact liquid temperature. Technicians adjust the digital control panel to maintain the perfect heat for a flawless pour. The superheated liquid radiates intense light as it prepares to enter the casting mold stage. A precise replica of the trophy is used to create the negative space for casting. Industrial presses pack special casting sand tightly around the model to capture every fine detail. The resulting ceramic mold is fired in a kiln to harden it before receiving metal. A heavy mechanical claw lifts the glowing crucible of molten gold from the deep furnace. Sparks fly as the liquid gold is transferred into a smaller pouring vessel for accuracy. The fiery orange liquid is carefully directed into the top opening of the ceramic mold. Intense heat and bright sparks shower the workspace as the mold fills with heavy metal. The continuous stream of gold finally reaches the top of the sprue to complete pouring. The freshly poured metal begins a slow cooling process to solidify into its final shape. Glowing red heat gradually fades to dull orange as the gold hardens inside the shell. Workers safely transport the heavy filled mold to the designated breakout station for the reveal. Pneumatic tools apply pressure to the exterior of the mold to begin cracking the shell. The brittle ceramic shatters violently to expose the hidden treasure resting safely inside the core. Large chunks of the baked mold are smashed away to liberate the raw golden casting. For the first time, the recognizable shape of the world's most famous trophy becomes visible. A stiff wire brush is used to sweep away the remaining stubborn patches of sand. Craftsmen chip away tiny fragments from the delicate crevices around the globe and human figures. High-pressure sandblasting strips the last layers of debris from the raw gold surface area. The partially clean trophy undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure no air bubbles are present. Industrial chains hoist the heavy raw casting out of the breakout bin onto a workbench. Engineers evaluate the structural integrity of the piece before the intense machining process can begin. The excess gold from the pouring channels is carefully sliced away using a heavy saw. Sparks shower the room as an angle grinder removes rough edges from the casting base. The bottom ring requires absolute precision to ensure it sits perfectly level on a table. Workers clamp the heavy gold sculpture tightly into a steel vise to secure its position. A high-speed grinding wheel smooths out the thick base ring in preparation for polishing. Computer-controlled milling machines begin the painstaking task of refining the athletes holding the world. Tiny drill bits trace the longitude and latitude lines across the surface of the globe. Craftsmen hand-carve the delicate shapes of the continents into the top of the trophy. fine grit sandpaper is applied to the rough areas to begin smoothing the golden skin. A fast-spinning cloth wheel loaded with abrasive compound begins to smooth the raw gold surface area. The heavy globe receives special attention to ensure the continents shine brightly against the matte oceans. Craftsmen carefully maneuver the spinning buffer around the sculpted athletes to bring out a brilliant luster. The entire sculpture is plunged into an ultrasonic cleaning bath to remove lingering dust and polish. High-pressure steam blasts away the final microscopic residues hidden deep within the delicate engraved crevices. Compressed air rapidly blows across the golden curves to ensure no water spots ruin the finish. 2 bands of precious green malachite stone are carefully selected to wrap around the trophy base. A diamond blade slices the raw malachite block into thin custom rings perfectly sized for mounting. The vibrant green rings are polished on a flat lap wheel to a mirror finish. Craftsmen slide the fragile green rings down the base to ensure a perfectly flush permanent fit. A specialized adhesive locks the polished green malachite firmly into the recessed grooves along the bottom ring. The bottom brass plate is locked into a laser engraver to receive the official championship text. A pulsing laser beam burns the official language into the bottom plate with absolute microscopic precision. This hidden underside disc will carry the name of every winning nation for generations to come. Workers carefully screw the engraved bottom plate into the base of the finished solid gold sculpture. A soft microfiber cloth gives the entire masterpiece one last gentle rubdown before final inspection. An inspector wearing pristine white cotton gloves examines every square inch for the smallest visible imperfection. Calipers confirm the final height and width meet the strict institutional standards mandated by the Federation. The completed trophy is weighed on a precision scale to verify the exact mass of gold. The head craftsman gives a final nod of approval, indicating the legendary sports icon is flawless. A custom titanium travel case is opened to receive the world's most valuable sporting artifact. Plush velvet interior padding is inspected to ensure the gold surface will never suffer a scratch. Gloved hands carefully lower the gleaming gold and malachite sculpture into its secure, custom padded cradle. Thick internal straps are buckled tight over the globe to lock the heavy piece firmly inside. The heavy titanium lid swings shut, sealing the brilliant gold away from the light of day. Multiple biometric locks engage with loud metallic clicks to secure the legendary prize from unauthorized access. Armed security officers enter the workshop to take official custody of the highly valuable completed package. Official transfer documents are signed by the craftsman to legally hand over the priceless golden prize. The titanium case rolls out of the secure facility, accompanied by a heavily armed security detail. The secured package is loaded into an armored transport vehicle waiting just outside the workshop doors. A fleet of black armored vehicles drives off down the highway, carrying the ultimate football treasure. The secured convoy pulls directly onto the private airport tarmac, where a chartered jet waits idling. Security personnel carry the locked titanium case up the private jet stairs with absolute focused vigilance. The case is strapped into a dedicated passenger seat inside the luxurious cabin of the airplane. The private jet accelerates down the runway and takes off towards the International Federation headquarters building. Cruising at 30,000 feet, the most famous sports trophy travels safely to its final destination. The wheels of the chartered jet touch down smoothly on the runway of the host nation. Federation officials and another heavily armed security team wait on the tarmac to receive the shipment. Guards carry the heavy silver case down the aircraft stairs to hand it over to officials. The case slides into the back of a specialized vault van designed for maximum urban security. The white tactical van navigates through crowded city streets, escorted tightly by local police motorcycles. Massive steel gates open to allow the secure convoy inside the official Federation headquarters compound. The van descends into a subterranean parking bunker where the final transfer will take place. Armed guards carefully slide the heavy titanium travel case out of the reinforced steel cage. The silver case wheels down pristine white hallways secured by advanced biometric laser scanners. A massive circular vault door stands between the hallway and the permanent museum display room. Heavy locking cylinders retract as the thick metal door swings open to reveal the sanctuary. The security team rolls the precious cargo into the center of a dramatically lit exhibition hall. Federation officials use their biometric credentials to unlock the travel case for the final time. The titanium lid rises slowly to reveal the glowing golden masterpiece resting in blue velvet. White-gloved hands carefully lift the heavy gold and malachite sculpture from its transport cradle. A specialized marble pedestal waits in the center of the room to receive it. The ultimate prize is gently lowered onto the marble surface where it will permanently reside. Hidden mechanical clamps lock the green malachite base securely into the heavy black marble pedestal. A curator uses a soft microfiber cloth to remove any final smudges from the gold. A thick cube of bulletproof ballistic glass is slowly lowered over the glowing golden sculpture. The heavy glass enclosure seals airtight against the marble pedestal with a quiet mechanical hiss. An invisible grid of security lasers instantly activates around the glass case to detect movement. Dozens of high-resolution security cameras track every single angle of the room without pausing.